But for how long will someone like the CDS, the Chief of Defense Staff, Christopher Musa, how long will they deceive Nigerians about the insecurity situation going on? Now, this is to the attention of CDS. He made a statement that Nigerians must unite to end insurgency. Like all this kind of statement every day, it is getting people pissed off. I listened to what all of them said during the book launch of the former CDS, General Lucky Irabo, retired. He was writing book about his experience in fighting Bokóharam, and I'm beginning to read the book, and I think a lot of things people should know is in the book. Now, CDS continued to say, made a statement that kinetic alone cannot solve the issue of Bokóharam, that they have to employ another tactics, maybe to negotiate. He did not use the word negotiate, but he said they can use another means. What means again? Maybe to negotiate. That is not my problem. My problem is that will the CDS, General Christopher Musa, tell the whole world that he don't know or he's not aware that these APC administration politicians imported these terrorists they are fighting? Bokóharam has been before 2014, okay? Bokóharam, in fact, started even like in the year 2000, 2001. They quenched it after they put Sharia in Nigerian constitution, and everything was lying low until during the Yar'Adua administration. Yar'Adua was able to manage Bokóharam well, manage Niger Delta militants. There were no issue until Yar'Adua died and Jonathan faced hell. They did all sort of things against Jonathan, and they sponsored Chibok girls. Chibok girls was not by Bokóharam. They planned it and abducted Chibok girls. All those things happened, and people were saying, bring back our girls, campaigning against Jonathan. Why? Because they don't know what transpired. Now, that is apart. Let us focus on what I'm saying. If General Christopher Musa said he don't know the people who imported terrorists, or he's not aware that people imported terrorists, meaning he is not fit, he's not worthy, and he's not supposed to be the Chief of Defense Staff. That is number one thing. Then, if Christopher Musa knows the people who imported terrorists, and he's coming to now and then to the media to talk to people anyhow, posterity is going to judge him. The future will remember the silence and how he colluded to keep quiet, shaking hands with people that imported these terrorists. Nigerians are already pissed off. Everybody is pissed off already. This is not time to paint words, because these people came to national television. I want to be clear so that people will understand what is going on. These people came to national television like Kowa Baraje, like Erofai. They talk about all these things, how Kowa Baraje said they imported these terrorists into Nigeria. The man is still alive. He's from Kwara State. Kwara State, now that these bandits are knocking up and down, pursuing them up and down. Kowa Baraje, who was boasting on national television that they imported, bandits into Nigeria to remove Jonathan.
In trying to remove Jonathan, there were stateless persons that were from the Sahel region that were imported into Nigeria.
CDS, are you not aware of this? You see, you people, especially the elders we have, toothless and in connection with everything that is going on in Nigeria. I'm saying this so that the upcoming generation, our generation, will know the truth. The truth is that what we are facing today was imported by APC administration, full stop. They admitted, something, if they did not admit, what I'm saying now will be like a rumor, a hearsay, and like I am not sure of what I'm saying. But these people have admitted, if you are going to a court of law, you get there, you plead guilty. So I did it. I did not do it to destabilize Nigeria. I did it for election purposes. That is treasonable act. CDS knows these people. DSS chief knows these people. I took time, 1 hour interview with Kunda Olaomi, who was the head of military intelligence, Commander Kunda Olaomi. He explained everything, the collusion of the security agencies with the Aso Rock with the senators. He was the head of military intelligence agency. So what are you talking about, CDS Musa? Posterity will judge you. All of you that are keeping quiet, the people who brought these Fulani militias killing us, posterity will judge all of you. Nigeria have been living in peace with both the Hausas, Igbos, Yoruba, including the Fulanis who have been in Nigeria before. They have been living in peace. Before, these people boasted that they imported Fulani militia. I'm not saying it. They say it by themselves. They confess that they brought the Fulani militia into the country. And after that, what happened again? Nothing. CDS remains toothless. The DSS remains toothless. The police remains toothless. And you are trying to come out to deceive who? This is not 2015. You went to Al Jazeera. I was listening to your interview at Al Jazeera in Doha, Qatar, that day. Some of the things you said are true, okay? I don't paint words. Some of the things you said about what is going on, but you just put everything on international community, that the whole insecurity in Nigeria is sponsored by foreigners. That is not true, CDS, you know. Foreigners are not the one who imported these militias into Nigeria. Foreigners are not the one who appointed Bokóharam Commission of Religious Affairs. CDS, if you don't know all this, meaning you are not worthy to be in that position. It is time for people in Nigeria to wake up because they are dying. Oh. Everybody, no hope. We don't have hope. Every day tension. You are going to sleep, tension. You are going to travel, tension. On road, tension. In the market, tension. We don't know what to do in our left and in our right again. And you people are still trying to paint words. I listened to Bishop Kukah again. I respect Bishop Kukah so much because of his outspoken, things about this country. He always speak up. But Bishop Kukah was messing up in his speech. Bishop Kukah was messing up in his speech. After that, he went to Arise News. I was listening to Bishop Kukah in Arise News. He said the reason why Nigeria is like this is because of the military coup that happened. I condemn the military coup. I'm not in support of that and all those things because it has to do with the killing of people. Anything that has to do with the killing of people, I don't like it. But for Bishop Kukah to say that it is the military regime or military coup that spoiled Nigeria, I said this man don't even know our problem. Oh, okay, military regime, they kill people, they kill 10 people, that is condemnable. But Fulani militia have killed almost 1 million people since 2015. APC administration imported them. Don't quote me wrong. They said they imported it. Do you get this thing right? These people said they imported it. They said we imported it. I am not putting words in their mouth. I am not saying what I don't know. The videos are everywhere. The articles are everywhere. What did you say, Bishop Kukah? This is how our elders are messing up everywhere. Because you have security details and you are free, you can fly. You can't even travel from Abuja to Sokoto by road where you live. Try it. If you get mine with your security details, try it. And you think that other Nigerians are animals. Can Bishop Kukah tell me, you are part of the peace committee, what kind of peace is you with Abdul Salami? What kind of peace are you people doing? And the people who imported all this militia are shaking hands with you people. What kind of country are you building for your future generation? You are a priest, for God's sake. Truth is bitter. We have to say it. And this is not the time to look face and say the truth. Now, in case you did not listen to the video of the CDS Musa, the statement he made, this is just the summary of it. Like this article from Channels Television reads that the Chief of Defense Staff, CDS General Christopher Musa, has called on Nigerians to unite in order to defeat the insurgency and insecurity. He made this call on Friday at the public presentation of SCAS. That is the title of the book written by General Nnamdi Rabo, retired, okay? Nigeria's Journey and the Bokóharam Conundrum. A book written by former Chief of Defense Staff General Nnamdi Rabo. Now, General Musa stressed that the military action alone cannot resolve the Boko Haram crisis, urging Nigerians to embrace peace and nationhood. I agree with him that military action alone cannot stop Boko Haram. I agree with him. But another thing CDS Musa is missing is that, so military action will stop the Biafra agitators, but military action cannot stop Boko Haram. Continue. That is a story for another day. Now, he said, for us as a nation to move forward, we must look at this faithfully, truthfully, and clearly in order to find solution. It is not only a military solution. From my experience, the military solution is just 25 to 30%, he said. Now, we say that I still agree with Christopher Musa, okay, the Chief of Defense Staff on this. But you are talking about faithfulness. No. Because the people who are sponsoring this are the people who appointed you, are part of the administration. It's everywhere. So I'm not the one saying it. What is it called? Kunde Odawumi, head of Military Intelligence Agency, head of Defense Intelligence Agency, made this statement. So I'm not the one making the statement. When you come out to say all these things without saying justice, there can't be peace without justice. People sitting down with you, CDS, when you were talking, they are part of the people sponsoring all these things. All these things are everywhere. Politicians, Benue State Governor said that the investigation they did, people who are killing Benue people, that some senators are there. What did you do, Christopher Musa? What did you do? What did you do? Because you are playing with us. You are playing with everybody and you think everybody is dumb. This is not 2015. That everybody kept quiet after politicians imported insecurity. So stop playing games. As far as I'm concerned, you are playing games and there is nothing you will say about this. Get those people arrested. Like Kunda Olawumi, he said they arrested 400 Bokóharam members. CDS Musa, why do they not try those people up to today? APC administration, why do they not try it? They arrested them under them. You see the problem. Now, they mention governors, senators, people in Aso Rock. What have you done about it? You people are playing games with us, and enough is enough. Enough is enough. You people don't know what you are doing. Enough is enough. So all these things, you people are just trying to wind away time. The real people are dying. Look at what is going on in Kwara State. Look at what is going on from around the country. No, it's insane. It does not happen anywhere in the world. It doesn't happen. You are playing games. This is game. If you tell me you don't know what I'm saying, you are not worthy to be serious. Resign. You are not worthy. If any security head, including the DPO, ordinary DPO police officer, can't tell me he don't know what is going on. Ordinary DPO can't say he don't know what is going on. So we need justice to the people who imported this insecurity. Arrest them. Some of them must have died. Majority of them are alive. They have accepted that they do. So until that, everything you people are talking in parable, and you are just speaking to the dead people. You are not talking to the living. Get them arrested. Talk. Gathering like this, I expected someone to rise up and talk something like this. But you people are afraid to speak the truth. I am Okochapi myself. I'm a conflict and security reporter. And we deal with the problem, not with the, what is going on currently. Because there is a reason for everything. The reason for insecurity in Nigeria is that politicians in Nigeria are sponsoring it. And politicians imported the terrorists. That is the main point. Any other thing is secondary. In that 2014-2015, you can see that agitation in Nigeria, both Odudu and Biafra, resurrected. You know why? People say this politician has imported terrorists. We can't stay in the same country with them. That is the genesis of everything, Christopher Musa. So it is enough of all this hula baloo. No noise. If you want to work, get them arrested. Start talking about how these politicians who imported you, who appointed you, imported all these terrorists. Enough is enough.